Hello makers. If you get Python not recognized error when you run any Python or Django project, this video is for you. The reason you're seeing this error is simple. You do not have Python installed on your computer, or your computer doesn't know where the Python program is installed, or you have more than one version of Python installed on your computer. The operating system looks for commands in a specific list of directories called the system path variable, and right now, Python's location isn't on that list because of one of the three reasons. If Python isn't installed on the computer, you have to install it. If you install it and you see the same error after installation, you have to add the installation location on environment variables list. If you still get error, you have to make sure you have only one Python version installed and add it in environment variables to avoid system confusion about which one to use. Now let's see how we can fix the problem step by step. As you can see, I am not able to run my Django project, or I am not able to open Python on my terminal window. If I go to the Windows search bar and type Python, and confirm that Python 3.12 is installed on my machine, since I do not have multiple versions of Python installed on my PC. The error is clearly the computer can't find where the Python program is installed. The operating system looks for commands in a specific list of directories called the system path variable, and right now, Python's location isn't on that list. Let's add it. To add Python to environment variable, go to Control Panel, System and Security, System, Advanced Setting. Then click on Environment Variable. Or simply go to the Windows search bar and type Environment Variable. Now go to Path and click on New to add the installation path of Python. To get the installation path, you can type Python on Windows Terminal and open the file location. If you get Python installation shortcuts like me, you still need to right-click and go to the file location until you get the installation folder for Python. Once you get the installation folder, copy the installation path. Now, you can simply paste this path on the environment variable. In addition to add the main installation path, you also need to add the path of the script folder. To add the path of the script folder, you need to go to the same path and open script folder and copy the path. Or you can simply add /script to the previous path without any typo error. After you add the two paths, you need to confirm and close the environment variable. We're almost done, but if you still try to run your Django project or else your Python project, you will get the error. That is because we have to close and reopen your command prompt or terminal window for the changes to take effect. Now, let's test it. Congratulations, makers! Your Python path is now correctly set up. You can now move on to building that awesome Django app or running your first script without any setup headaches. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more maker tutorials.